Nice one. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo. Guys, this one gonna be an amazing recipe where you can also make at home. All right, it's included just a few ingredients, just 2 ingredients, which is powerful. All right, you want to drink this before you go to your bed, and you can drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. All right, so we're gonna jump straight into it. All right, nice one. So we're gonna show you exactly how to make this beautiful recipe today, guys. It's gonna be super easy and nice. So right here we got 2 cloves of garlic, which I'm already crushed. I'm gonna put them straight inside of my cup right there. All right, and what I'm gonna do next, I'm going to get a few cloves and I'm going to put this straight inside of it like this. All right, just a few cloves. So it's gonna be garlic and cloves mixed together. All right, and that's gonna be super nice and lovely. So what you're gonna do next is pour some hot water on it. All right, and then after you pour the hot water on it, what you can do, you can simply cover it, and you can also leave it for a few minutes and allow it for jar. All right, guys, so please enjoy it and leave your comments in the description box. We've got a lot more tips and a lot more ideas will be coming. All right, as you can see, that looks amazing and fantastic. So enjoy it and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for watching, and I will be seeing you again with more recipes and more ideas, guys. As you can see, that is fantastic and an amazing today. See you next time. Bye bye.